In this quick video, I'll show you how to stake Ronin tokens step by step. So the first step is to go to app.roninchain.com/staking and then connect your Ronin wallet. Once you have connected your Ronin wallet, scroll down and you can see here the validators. Now we have two types of validators. The first one is the governing validators and the second one is a validator candidate. The governing validators are always validator by default, and these validators are chosen by the community and Sky Mavis to ensure network security. Then the validator candidate can be launched by anyone on the ecosystem, such as you watching this video. And so we're going to focus on the commission rate and the APR. So the higher the commission rate, the lower the APR, while on the other hand, the lower the commission rate, the higher the APR. So if you want to delegate your token, I suggest to choose the higher APR. But not all higher APR and lower commission rate has a active status. So make sure that you delegate your token on the validators that has a active status. Now, for example, I want to delegate my RON token on Sky Mobis. Just click delegate here. Set down the amount of Ronin token you want to delegate, for example, 1000 Ronin. And then I will receive this amount of rewards yearly. So if you want to see the monthly and daily earning, just click here and you'll see it here. Now we have here what we call the lockup period. So once you have delegated your running token, you can only withdraw from this validator after 3 days. So once you have typed down the amount of running token you want to delegate, just click delegate here and then pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Ronin token in your Ronin wallet to pay for the gas fee. But if you have a free transaction on Ronin wallet, you can use it. Once you have delegated your Ronin token, you can go here on the My Staking tab and you can claim your rewards here. And if you have any questions about how to stake Ronin token, leave a comment below.